Hi my followers, today I'm gonna talk about the Bermuda Triangle at the Atlantic Ocean. So first, the Bermuda Triangle is next to North America and at the Atlantic Ocean. Sometimes boats can just go through the Bermuda Triangle and then get pulled down under the ocean, and some people die in the boat, or they might survive, but no one survived in the Bermuda Triangle. So, second, the Bermuda Triangle is the dangerous thing on Earth. The Bermuda Triangle is not the dangerous thing in the ocean. Maybe some things are more dangerous than the Bermuda Triangle. Third, the Bermuda Triangle is very, very scary. You don't know why, because it's scary. It's scary because sometimes you might get a boat and go through the Bermuda Triangle and you'll get pulled into the ocean. So you don't want to do that today, because the Bermuda Triangle won't pull you down to the ocean. And next time, I'll talk with you part 2 of what is Bermuda Triangle. Bye. See you next time, and subscribe, click the bell and like. So, bye-bye.